Hello friends, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Now study about magnetic effect of electric current. For study magnetic effect of electric current, let's recall how electromagnet is produced that you are studying in the previous standard. When the electric current flows in the wire, magnetism is produced in coil around the screw, and because of that the screw also attained magnetism. So this is battery. We join this coil around this nail or screw, and hence this screw also attend when we are starting the current, then this screw also attend the magnetism. As soon as we stop the current, here we stop the current, the magnetism vanish नष्ट होणे. The system of coil and screw are called an electromagnet. This experiment also you done in the previous standard, that this nail, because of this the electric current, this nail is act as a magnet, and these pins are the magnetic substance, hence they are attached or attract toward the nail. So you have seen various uses of also electromagnet in the 6th standard, and these electromagnets are used to produce the strong magnetic field. For study magnetic effect of a current, let us see the experiment. In this figure, connect the circuit as shown in figure. So in this circuit, connecting wire, then cell, plug key, and the wire that is connected, a copper wire, thicker, that is AB is a copper wire that is thicker and straight as compared to connecting wire. So this AB is more thicker than this connecting wire. Keep a magnetic needle, this is a magnetic needle, adjacent to wire. Keep the plug key open in circuit and observe the direction of needle. So this is plug key, this plug key is closed, and when you open this plug key there is a disconnection in this the circuit and current is do not flow this circuit. Then you can observe the direction of the needle and then close the plug key. This plug key when closed, then the current is flowing from this circuit. So then also you can observe the direction of the needle. Then observe and note the observations. Then second, you can change the connecting wires to the cell and observe the direction of magnetic needle. So let's see here. Here is the plus end and here is the minus end. Then again you can interchange the cell. That is, here is minus end and here is plus end. So you can change this the direction of this the connecting wire, and again you can observe that what is the change direction of the magnetic needle, and notice that the observations of the needle and also there is any relation between the direction of current and the position of this needle. So this is the experiment. See the observations of this experiment. In this experiment, first, when current is passed through the wire, the needle is deflected. In this circuit, that AB is current carrying conductor that is more thicker than this copper wire. Hence, when current is passed through this circuit, then the needle shows deflection because this AB is also showing the magnetic effect, that AB is become magnet, and hence this needle showing deflection toward the current carrying conductor. Then second, when current through wire is stopped, needle original position shows north south direction. When we stop the current through this circuit, then AB current carrying conductor not showing the magnetic effect, and because of that the magnetic needle get their original position, that is the north south position. In the third, when current through wire is increased, the deflection of the needle also increases. When we increase the current, then AB showing magnetic effect, that also get increases, and hence the deflection from this the magnetic needle also get increases. In fourth observation, when the current through wire is reversed, needle is deflected opposite direction to that of the first. Let's see here, when in the first condition, here is the positive end, here is the negative end. Hence, the direction of current is from positive to the negative end. But when we change the direction, that is here is negative end and here is the positive end, then let's see the direction that is from positive end to the negative end. So when current through wire is reversed, needle is deflected opposite direction to that of the first. Here let's see the position of the needle. This is showing by the dotted line. This is the turning of the needle to this direction when the current is from, that is the, as like this direction, that is positive to negative. This is the deflection, and when we reverse that the current, then let's see the deflection of this also showing by the dotted line. When that current is again from this positive end to this the negative end, the deflection showing by this point here. Fifth, when the distance between the magnetic needle and the wire increased, keeping current constant, the deflection of needle become less. Hence, when current is constant but we can take long distance to this the magnetic needle, then the effect of this the magnetic field is become less, and because of that the deflection of the needle is also become less. So by this experiment, that magnetic field, such electromagnetic effect we can see here, and also that is the electricity and magnetism are closely related to each other. By this experiment we can see the observations. Next point, magnetic field produced around the conductor. In the next try this, by this experiment we can understanding the law here also. So let us see what is, that is the activity here. For this activity you need the simple card sheet paper here, then current carrying conductor, that is a straight current carrying conductor, as like a metal rod that is made up from the copper or iron, that is thick than this copper wire. Then arrange the circuit. You can do this experiment in your home also. For this, you need only the cells or battery and plug key. But here they are showing us a resistor and also the ammeter. So as like this circuit is joined here, so let's see. When a large current flows through the thick copper wire passing through a cardboard, the magnetic needle kept at a different point on the cardboard around the wire stand in different directions and mark this direction with a pencil. So this experiment is done by two way. First, that is by magnetic needle, and also we can use the iron fillings that are spread on this card sheet paper. So let us see here iron fillings. Here is the magnetic needle. So by this experiment, when current is passing through this current carrying conductor, at the last activity we seen that when current is passing through this current carrying conductor, this current carrying conductor act as a magnet. Hence, let us see that is the magnetic field. So this is the magnetic field of this current carrying conductor, and the magnetic field at a point due to current carrying conductor that depend on current through the conductor and distance of the point from the conductor. So when you kept this the magnetic needle at the distance here that is close to the current carrying conductor, that shows the much more deflection. But when you increase the distance from the current carrying conductor, that shows the less deflection. The magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a given point is directly proportional to the magnetic or magnitude of the current passing through the conductor. So if we increase the intensity of current, then the magnetic field or intensity of magnetic field is also increased. So the magnetic field is depend on the magnitude of the current. The magnetic field produced by given current carrying conductor decrease as the distance from the conductor increase. So when we increase the distance of this magnetic needle from this current carrying conductor, then also the magnitude is also become decrease. So we can do this experiment by using the iron fillings also. That iron fillings are arranged as like this. These are the concentric circle that is representing the magnetic line of force are shown, that is bigger and rare field. As the distance from the wire we increases, that seen as rare. If the current through wire is increased, the intensity of the magnetic field also increase. So you can do this experiment in your home also and observe the observations that are by this experiment. By doing this activity, we can understand the right hand thumb rule here. So let's see the activity at the last try this. This is the card sheet paper. On that card sheet paper, we spread the iron fillings. This is the current carrying conductor and the direction of current is showing here. When we join the circuit and that the current carrying conductor act as the magnet, then this iron fillings is arranged in this way, that is the magnetic line of force, and this is the magnetic field of this current carrying conductor. So when current is passing through this, These act as a magnet and the iron fillings arrange as like this. So by this activity we can understand this rule. Let's see the rule. Imagine that you have held a conductor in your right hand in such a way that your thumb points the direction of the current. So you held this, the blue colored current carrying conductor in your right hand in such a way that this thumb shows the direction of electric current. That thumb is the shows upper side direction, that is the direction of electric current, and then turn your fingers around the conductor. So these are the curl finger that are around the conductor, that shows the direction of the fingers is the direction of the magnetic line of force. So this curved finger shows the direction of the magnetic line of force. These are the magnetic line of force. When current is passing through this conductor act as a magnet, and this is the magnetic field of this, the current carrying conductor. So this is the rule we can understand by doing the activity. So remember this rule.